Good afternoon, everyone. The MBA and MCA document verification process is going on for the centralized admission process 2023-24. Today we can understand how we can verify the authorized certificates from the AAPLESARKAR Maha Online Government Web Portal. Here is you can search in Google as AAPLESARKAR Maha Online government.in/en. Then you can see the right top there is the verification, verify your authorized certificate. You can see when you are clicking here, you can see the all governments departments are showing here. The generally, as we know, the domicile certificate, national certificate, caste certificate, even non-criminal certificate, these all the required educational documents is issuing authority is the revenue department. You can select here the revenue department, then you can select the second option is the revenue services. Then we can select here, if you want check the caste certificate, you can click here. The central government certificate SC, SC, ST, then income certificate as soon as the non-criminal certificate. You can select the non-criminal certificate, then you can enter here the his application ID or the barcode number, then you can click here the as a go. Then you can understand this is the verified authorized certificate. This is the easy way for the verify the authorized certificate from the issuing authority. Thank you. This is only for your information. You can share it.